Good morning, students. Today we are going to start lesson 3 Down, Down, Down. Alice, Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the river bank and doing nothing. Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the river bank and doing nothing. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading. Peeped out means not complete view of something. Not complete view of something is called peeped into. Once or twice she had peeped into the book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures and conversations in it. Why she was feeling very bored? Because in that book no pictures and conversations was there. What is the use of a book? Thought Alice. Alice thought Alice without pictures or conversations. So she was thinking when suddenly a white rabbit with pink eyes close ran close by her. The rabbit seemed worried. It said to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." Why she was very surprised? Because the rabbit was white with pink eyes and it was wearing a coat with pocket and watch was also there with it. Okay. It said to itself, oh dear, I shall be late." It took a watch out of its waistcoat pocket, looked at it, and then hurried on. Alice jumped to her feet. She had never before seen a rabbit with either a waistcoat pocket or a watch to take out of it. She ran across the field after it. She was just in time to see it pop down. Pop down means quickly jump into. It popped down a large rabbit hole under some bushes, where it quickly jumped into a large rabbit hole under some bushes. In another moment, down went Alice after it, never once thinking how she was to get out again. The rabbit hole went straight on like a tunnel for some way. See, this is like a tunnel. And then dropped down so suddenly that Alice found herself falling down a very deep well. It is a very deep well. Either the well was very deep or she fell very slowly, for she had plenty of time as she went down to look about her and to wonder what was going to happen next. Okay. She looked at the sides of the well. She was looking, see? And this is the sides of the well. And notice that they were filled with cupboards and bookshelves. See, cupboards are there and bookshelves is also there. See, this is bookshelves, this is cupboards. Okay. And watch is also there. Here and there she saw maps and pictures hung upon pegs. She took down a jar from one of the shelves as she passed. It was labeled Orange Marmalade, but to her great disappointment, it was empty. Orange marmalade is type of a juice. It is a type of a juice. And why she was disappointed? Because that jar was empty. She managed to put it into one of the cupboards as she fell past it. Well, thought Alice to herself, after a fall. Now turn the page. After a fall like this, I shall think nothing of tumbling down stairs. Think nothing of means never be afraid of. Never be afraid of. She was not afraid of. She was doing down, 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 but she was not afraid of this. How brave! They will all think me at home. She was thinking, all will think that how brave I am. Down, down, down. Would the fall never come to an end? I wonder how many miles. Miles, 1 mile is equal to 1.6 kilometers. 1.6 kilometers. I have fallen by this time, she said aloud. I must be getting close to the center of the earth. She was thinking, because I am going down and down and down. Maybe I will be the center of the earth. She was thinking like this. Let me see, what would be 4,000 miles down? I think yes, that is about the right distance. She began again. I wonder if I shall fall right though the earth. How funny it will seem to come out among the people that walk with their heads downwards. She was thinking, I will be falling down with her heads. With her heads. Down, down, down. There was nothing else to do. She was thinking there was nothing else to do. So Alice soon began talking again. She was talking again with herself. Dina will miss me very much tonight. Who was Dina? Dina was the cat of Alice. Dina was the cat of the Alice. Dina will miss me very much tonight, I should think. Dina was the cat. I hope they will remember her saucer of milk at tea time. Dina, my dear, she was thinking about her cat. I wish you were here. There are no mice in the air, but you might catch a bat, and that's very like a mouse, you know. But do cats eat bats, I wonder? And then Alice began to get rather sleepy because she was very tired now, and went on saying to herself in a dreamy sort of way, do cats eat bats? Do cats eat bats? Do cats eat bats? And sometimes do pets eat cats? She was thinking like this. Again and again she was thinking like this. She could not answer either question, so it did not much matter which way she put it. She felt that she was dozing off. Dozing off means falling asleep, because now she was very tired. She was going down and down and down. That's why she was getting very tired, and had just begun to dream that she was walking hand in hand with Dina. Who was Dina? Dina was her cat. When suddenly thump down, she came upon a heap of sticks and dry leaves, and the fall was over. Now the fall was over, and where was she? She was in the heap of sticks and dry leaves. She was in the heap of sticks and dry leaves. Alice was not a bit hurt. Alice was not a bit hurt. She did not get injury. She jumped up on her feet in a moment. Before her was another long passage. Passage in the sense corridor or tunnel. Passage means tunnel. And the white rabbit was still inside. Who was there with her? That white rabbit. That white rabbit with pink eyes. Hurrying down it. Alice, Alice ran like the wind. Alice ran like the wind. Ran like the wind means ran very fast. Alice ran very fast, chasing after the rabbit. She was again started chasing after the rabbit. She was just in time to hear it say as it turned a corner. What the rabbit was saying? Oh, my ears and whiskers. In the sense, what is the meaning of oh, my ears and whiskers? A way of showing surprise. A way of showing surprise. How late it's getting. Again, that rabbit was saying, how late it's getting. Okay, understand the chapter? Now we will underline in difficult words. You also underline with me. Take out your book and start underlining. Okay. First one is conversations. C-O-N-V-E-R. Conversations. T-I-O-N-S. Conversations. Next one is waistcoat. W-A-I-S-T. Waist. C-O-A-T. Coat. Okay. Third one is bushes. Bushes. B-U-S-H-E-S. Bushes. And next one is drop down. Next one is drop down. D-R-O-P-P-E-D. Dropped. D-O-W-N. Down. Drop down. And next cupboards. Cupboards. C-U-P-B-O-A-R-D-S. Cupboards. Okay. And next one is managed. M-A-N-A-G-E-D. Managed. M-A-N-A-G-E-D. Managed. And next is tumbling. T-U-M-B. Tumbling. L-I-N-G. Tumbling. T-U-M-B-L-I-N-G. Tumbling. T-U-M-B-L-I-N-G. Tumbling. Okay. Now remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. R-E-M-E-M-B-E-R. Remember. Okay. Next is dozing off. D-O-Z-I-N-G. Dozing. O-F-F off. Dozing off. Next is whiskers. W-H-I-S. Whiskers. K-E-R-S. Whiskers. Whiskers. Okay. Now we have completed difficult words. You write that difficult words in your classwork copy 5 times and learn the spellings. Okay. And I will give you all the answers of this questions in PDF. You write in notes copy all the answers properly. Okay. Good day.